Alright, so first we are quickly going to create an avatar for ourselves and use it to create videos. So let's begin with login into our MugJam dashboard. This is the MugJam login screen and I'm going to log into my MugJam account. Alright, this is the MugJam dashboard and you can see how beautiful everything is and how easy it is to understand. So to create a project, you can simply choose a template category or you can upload your video to add an avatar on top of it. You can see we have got several categories for templates. Our goal is to give you as much diversity as possible when it comes to creating a template based video. So you will always find a template relating to your ideas and concept. Now let's get back to creating an avatar. So first let's create a project. I'm going to choose a template category for local business. So I can see all the templates in this particular category. We are going to add more templates for this category very soon. And I can click on any template and I can preview it from here. I can see the video and preview the entire template here, and if I like it I can just go ahead and select it. So let's select this template and let's give it a name and let's create our project. Alright, so this is our step 2 and on this step you can see all the avatars and create one for yourself. So I'm going to show you how this step works. Now you can see all your avatars here and you can also select a predefined avatar if you don't want to use your own avatar. So if you do not have any photo of yourself, you can simply use our predefined avatars for your project. For this test, we are going to create an avatar. So let's go ahead and click on create your avatar. Okay, so this is our avatar creator screen and you can see here that you can easily drag and drop your photo on this box and also make sure that the selfie photo that you take follows these instructions for a better output. So I'm going to now create an avatar of this female. You can see it here and let's create an avatar for this female. So to do this we are just going to drag this and drop it here. So it is going to ask me for the permission if I have the permission for this person, and yes, I do have the permission. So I'm going to click on I agree and please proceed. So now the avatar is going to get created. This entire process takes about 40 to 50 seconds each avatar and this is one time process. So once you create an avatar, you can use it for every project afterwards. Okay, so the avatar is now created and we can preview our avatar by clicking on this photo here and you can see it is so good. It is very real. It is very close to the original photo. So I'm going to go ahead and save this avatar now. Let's give this avatar a name and let's save it. Okay, so the avatar is now saved and you can see it's here now. So I can just click on this and now it is selected. So this is how easy it is to create an avatar automatically. We didn't have to do any manual work. It was all automatic. Now that we have the avatar created, let's go ahead and create a project using this avatar. So we have selected this restaurant template. So let's go ahead and to the next step and see how we can customize this entire template as we like. So on the next step, which is step 3, we are going to get an option to edit all the images and text for this particular template. So first, let's see a small preview of this template.
At Ed's Oyster Bar and Restaurant, our goal is to provide guests with an unparalleled dining experience complete with excellent service and high-quality cuisine. Our place uses...
Alright, so that is the template that we have selected. So we can change the logo or images on this template easily from here. So we can upload our own images and logo. We can do the same thing for the text. So we can change our website URL and the phone number and all the other text that is on this template very easily from this step, which is step number 3. So for this demo, I'm not going to change anything. So let's just go to the next step, which is step 4. Okay, on this step 4, you can customize your audio for your project. Now, MugJam works with your own voiceover, or you can even record your voiceover here on the app. Also, MugJam comes with an advanced text-to-speech engine, so you can customize the voiceover to whatever you need. Now, let's go ahead and use text-to-speech for this demo, and I'm going to do a small edit. I'm going to change the name here, and let's hear it.
At Rohit's Oyster Bar and Restaurant, our goal is to provide guests with...
Yeah, that sounds great. I can also change the audio pitch and speed, but these are already optimized, so I don't need to do any of that. Also, I can select background music for this project. We have created a very nice background music for every template, so you can just this is pre-selected for you, but you can change it if you want. I'm not going to do it for this template, so I think I'm done with changing the text here and the voiceover. So let's go ahead and go to the next step, which is step number 5, where we are going to export the video. Okay, so this is our step 5, and video is now getting processed with all the settings that we selected. And once it is done processing, we will be able to preview the video here. Also, we can send ourselves a download link once the video is done rendering. So we don't need to wait on this page if I don't want to. Also, we can upload the video directly to YouTube, Twitter and Vimeo as soon as this video is processed. But for this demo, we are just going to wait for this to process, and then once it's done, I'm going to show you the final preview. Okay, this template is now rendered, and this template took about 5 to 7 minutes to render. Now each template has a different render time because some might have complex animations in it, and because of the complexity of the animation, the render time might increase or decrease. Now let's go ahead and see the preview of this template.
At Rohit's Oyster Bar and Restaurant, our goal is to provide guests with an unparalleled dining experience complete with excellent service and...
So you can see it's great. Only thing is that I did not select the female voiceover, so we did not change it on step 4. So if I would have done that, this would have been a female voiceover. But you can see how amazing this is, how easy it is to create a avatar and a video using MugJam. So once all of this is done, and if we like it, let's go ahead and click on export. And once we export, we will be sent back to dashboard, and we can find that project that we created here in our ready to downloads section. And we can also download this project from here. So that's how easy it is to create a video and an avatar using MugJam. Now I also want to show you how you can add avatars on your existing videos by clicking on browse files. Now you can upload your own videos on this box, and once you are done uploading these videos, you will see them here. These are the ready to use videos, and you can select any video for this project. So let's select this particular video, and I'm going to create a test project. Now we have to select an avatar for this particular test. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And let's go to next step. Now the unique thing about this particular project is that you can also add a frame between the avatar and the video. So you can select a predefined frame from here, or you can upload your own frame if you want. You can also select avatar position from here. So right now I want this avatar to be on the bottom left. So it is correctly selected right now, so I don't need to change it. I can also change the size of the head of the avatar. So if I want a bigger head, I can do that. But I think size 3 is good. So this step is done. Let's go to next step. Alright, so on this step, you can again use text to speech or record your own voiceover. But the great thing about this project is that the audio is already extracted and added here. So the video that you uploaded, whatever audio was in there, it was extracted by MugJam app and then it is presented here. So I don't need to do any other changes here. I don't want to upload my own voiceover. I just want to use the voiceover that is in the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next step. And now again, it's going to process. And once it's processed, I will show you the preview. Okay, the video is now processed. This video took about 3 to 4 minutes to process. And now let's see the preview.
Hey, what's up guys, Andrew here. Today we're taking a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the iPhone XR. This is an excellent case overall for only $12 on Amazon, so I highly recommend.
So you can see it's great. It's exactly how we wanted it. So that's how easy it is to add an avatar on top of your